How to access your permission manager on your Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily access your permission manager, which allows you to have a control over which permission your app has access to. So let's get right into it. The setting will depend on the device that you're using because it might be different. So what you want to do is just head over to your settings first, and it's usually under the privacy section. So we are just going to find our privacy section right here. As you can see, here is security and privacy. I'm just going to tap on it. Depending on your device, it might be a bit different, so you can also use the search icon on your settings. Now once you get to your security and privacy, if you scroll down a bit, right under privacy you will see the permission manager. You can just tap on it and it will open up your permission manager. Here you have all of the permissions and a list of apps that are allowed this permissions. Now you can take control over all of these apps and allow and deny any permissions according to your choice. So let's say if I tap on location, as you can see 22 apps has my location access out of 78. Now if I want to allow any other app this permission, I can just go ahead and tap on the app and then tap on allow all the time. So this will change the permission of the app. You can do this for your body sensor, calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, and all of these available options. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.